Hello. Today I have some more dialogue effects that I would like to add. I have 3 of them listed out. They're roughly planned out, so they're just more text effects like this. I wanted to do... Nah, this is fine. The ghost is fine. So we have a drunk guy, a ghost. We have item icons and text colors that we added last stream. We have some really nice yelling effects, dynamics, movements. They look really good. They'll look super awesome when I get the final character art. So today we're gonna do just more effects like this. We're gonna do a scared effect with some shaky text. We're gonna do a glitch effect for some kind of like computer-y voices, possibly, and then like a fun little wave. I think I'll do them in order of like easiest to hardest, which would probably be the wave first. So I'll go ahead and do that. I created the scared placeholder, but just swap that over. Do a, because we have wave already, but this is like single wave. You'll see what I mean by that. It's like a single wave, like you're at a stadium. Crowd wave. That'll be like what the text does. That. Rename the shader, and then I need to create the material. Right. And then I need to create, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and make all 3 of these. It's probably the efficient way to do stuff. So I created scared, we got single wave, and also I'm going to create a glitch effect. So rename it. Create the material in Unity. Text glitch. Assign it. And then we'll come back to that. The next thing I wanted to do, make sure it loads it. So I'm gonna add them there. Scared glitch, let's add single wave. That's all set up. Next is the dialogue enums, I believe. Dialogue? No, where's that? So we got scared, glitch, single wave. Some new text effects. So let's just go back to our test dialogue. And don't need all that. This will be your dialogue. Effect is scared. And they'll just be like, this creepy old house. I'm just gonna put... So scared right now. Please help me. We're just getting real right off the bat here. So we're gonna make that text nice and shaky. As if somebody's like shivering. It's gonna be the goal for this. Then the other setup I have to do is here. Yeah. I'll do this for all three. Scared. We'll do glitch. Single wave. That'll load all our textures. Okay, so the scared shader. Text scared. I want the X to kind of shake. Let's see, it has the noise texture. Gonna sample the noise. Instance. So we're gonna offset this by times to add some randomness over time. And let's see what that does. We don't need, these are left over from the scared shader. Really should have copied a different shader that was a little more basic. Spirit. Let's just do that. Scared glitch, single wave. Don't need that, don't need that. Just doing some cleanup here. Alright, any bugs? Glitch still has intensity. That as well. That was unexpected. Take that off. Unchecked. The wrong box. Alright, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so copied over the spirit texture, so obviously fix that. But everything's linked up correctly. Scared I don't even think I want any of this. Let's do that. So we're just doing like little shaky movements, I think is what I'm gonna focus on. Ooh, that's already really good. Just slight left to right, like shivering. My other idea with it was I wanted to adjust the intensity of the shivers over time, just over a sine wave. Move that up to sine. want minimum 2 plus an extra 3. Gonna get possibly doubled to 6. Maybe that. So I don't want it to fade back all the way to no shaking. It's kind of like an overall left to right wave, which I don't really intend for. But it's not bad. I think it works. Alright, I'm calling that good. Let's move on. Now have scared. Excellent. Let's do the single wave. I did say that I was gonna do that first. Scared was easy though. Let's try out single wave. Should be pretty simple. So let's just adjust the dialogue. This would be for like a group of like quirky characters that like, I don't know, always talk in sync, you know? Quirky group. We are, I don't know. We think you're cool and wanna be your friend. Lots of exclamation marks. That one start, and this will be testing our single wave. Let's do it. I think that should be fine. Doing none for that. Oh, I gotta change that. Single wave shader. We're done with scared. Just like that. Just like that. The limitation of this, I think, is gonna... It needs to be one line. We'll see what it looks like. It will look dumb with just one word. On the second line. Alright, so let's add a fun little wave to that now. So the way I'm gonna do that is with the sine wave. I want to get a value for that. Just got a wave. be like some function of time. Minus 0.8, so sine is max 1, and then we're going to clamp this, clamp that between 0 and 1. It's actually just 0 and 0.2. That's what that's going to be. And then just want to do this. Wave times like 20. I think this is basically what I want. No, I need to be more. For first off, I need to do times z plus vertex, some function of that, to get the actual left to right wave. There we go, that's closer to what I want. It's the opposite direction. And I want bigger wave. Let's see, how do I make it go the good. We can move it up more, and also this is going to be a wavy thing that moves a lot. So I need to do this thing where I just gonna copy all of that over. I think that's good. Where I move the position of the text downward so it doesn't like go out of the text box. Right. That should move it down. Should be more intense, and I want it a little faster as well. So that's close to what I want. I'm gonna have to do something different. I want like one wave at a time. I like it so far though. So, like the width of the wave is good. Alright, let's bring out the crafting tool. So right now we got sine of x, and it's just doing minus 0.8. So here's our little waves. What I want is every other wave. So how do I cancel half the waves? I need that for this. Alright. There. Why did I... I'm alright. That'll work. It's ugly. I'll take it. Whatever. So we want... negative sign. That. Just do float time. Just do T. Since we'll use this twice, do that. That. Minus sign. 5 times T minus... What's the constant for pi in HLSL? Well, minus pi over 4. And then goes up to 2. So we actually want minus 1.6. 6. It's ugly, but I think it's gonna work. There it is. Yep. Awesome. So we got our single wave. And then the next little detail I wanted to add is during the wave I'm gonna add like a little tilt. Add a little bit more character. Which will be by adjusting the X just a touch. According to the wave, do minus wave times 10? So it's kind of like an angled jump. Adds a little bit more character. Just want to move it down a little bit more. Just give it some more breathing room from that top border. Yeah, that looks good. Not just have to remember it'll only work with a max of like 3 lines. It'll probably only be used for 1 line if it even does get used. So that looks good. There's our single wave completed. Next up, there's a glitch shader I want to work on. And then I'll have to transition into something else because I didn't plan anything else. But we'll figure that out later. The glitch is going to be the most complicated though. Got a lot of stuff going on there. Alright, let's get that set up. That's boring. That's something anyway. Glitch, that's primary, all that's good. That's the new start. Wave is done. Glitch. It's just playing right now. It looks like. Alright. So I added the pixel noise already to the shader. So I'll use that. I want to take like random horizontal bars and shift them around. Oh, I can't even do that. I just realized. Maybe it'll be alright. Cause I have to do that in the fragment part of it. Might work out since the intention is to glitch. Like, actually glitch it, basically. Alright, let's see what this is gonna do. It's gonna take quite a bit of trial and error. I mean, it's glitchy. It's glitchy. less extreme. Might have to do just like a lot less than I expected. The thing about kind of like made up effects, I have a general idea of what I'm going for, but I'm happy with other stuff if it works. I want I mean, that looks cool. It's not readable. This is the closest I've got. It's not bad. Not at all what I was going for, but I like it. It's so weird though. It's a little more flickery, I like that. Let's see, is this doing anything? What is it doing exactly? I mean, that's pretty good, honestly. Some other ideas that were not actually going to work because of the limitations of how I can use the textures. So I mean that for I don't have a specific purpose, so like it's pretty good. I will take it. I have a lot of nice text effects now, so that is great. Let's see, what can I shift over to? It's gonna add just a little background element. It's gonna add a mouse. I'm gonna add a lot of little animals to the game, just as like nice little background elements. You can't interact with them; they just run away when you get close. But they will help bring the world alive. So let me just check where that's at. Do that later. Remember I had bought an asset. Oops. There we go. There's a little mouse. We're gonna add this little fella. Oh, he's kind of a scary little mouse. That's yellow eyes. Other nice options there. 64, 60. Change my title. One. I might create an extra frame where he's sitting up. Let's do 32 by 32. I think that's plenty. Trying to determine where the I think the idle frame's in the middle. And doubles as the passing frame for the walk. believe is what is going on there. Alright, here's a little mouse. Let's export. Add a static creation function. We need a sprite. Let's see, where's this at? Extended tools. Forget all my class names. Extended tools. Makes sense. Makes sense. Which is objects with a capital O. Working some mouse. Give it the animation as well. $32.0, a lot of data entry here. 32. I actually just flip the right or left. Don't even actually need that. Got. Now right. 232, and then idle up is 32.64. Then our walking animations. That's 0, 0, 3 frames. It loops. Frame step, I don't know yet. We'll test it out. Walk right and walk up. 264. Alright, the center of it is about 9 offset. Do 8. Even 7 looks better there. Let's move it up. It's about 8. This needs to be... Stop snapping. Stop snapping. This needs to be moved down 1. I think this needs to be moved up 1. Just to get all their Y coordinates synchronized. And then... Alright, let's get him added to the game now. Map, where are you at? Map build helper, this is what we need. So these are custom objects. I'm trying to think, do I need, well, am I ever gonna need custom properties? Probably. I might want some that just immediately run into a hole or something, so I'd want to mark them as such in some way or another. So let's add a new case here for our custom objects, which is mouse. I think I'm gonna go more generic and do that sounds too vague. I mean, there'll usually be a critter. Call them critters. Might as well make a super class for it. Can probably reuse some code. So far, just that. Now I need a generic creation function here. Oh, I'm just gonna pass in the tiled object, and then I'll be able to get all of my info from that. And then I can assign its parent, position it, break the C chord, and add it to other objects so it gets updated. So that all checks out. Actually going to, all right. type is gonna be critter. Branch on mouse. Break. It's a mouse. Do that. I think that checks out. Let's actually add it now to our test map. Just reuse the mouse for all of our critters. Since the data's set by text anyway. Export that. Yeah, so we can place them anywhere. Type as critter, we'll create it, and then so that we know what type of critter, we'll do critter type, so mouse. Alright, there he is. Way offset of what I wanted though. Down a tile, that always happens. I thought I changed this a long time ago. I think all of these should be... No, the event... Is that what's going on? Let's see, I also have... Let's see, this is... PC... Should be beside this log. No, he's down. I'm not sure on event trigger. I'm gonna make a note to come check that. I think all these should be plus half the height though. Let's see here. Do that another day. I need to make a need to make his shadow transparent. I'm gonna post like a short little update. Just want to update Twitter on what I'm working on now, since we're no longer doing dialogue effects. Do public update. Nice. It's fast. He's cute though. Alright, let's keep moving up a little bit. Get that Z ordering right. Yeah, actually have to do that. And then I'll make a quick GIF to share. Before I add some AI to make him do some more interesting stuff. Doesn't look great with the Z order there. Look into that in a second though. Speedy GIF. Tiny GIF. Looks good. Alright, back to work. That was work. Back to mouse work. I wanted to, so I have my own shadow. I don't know what to call it. Oh, man. Shadow's the same color as the outline. Alright. Unfortunate. But what are you gonna do? These would just be flipped, but they're a little different. It's fine. I think that actually needs a dot there, though. This is barely any shadow already. Alright, shadowless mouse. Done. I'm gonna add my own shadow here. Oops. Add shadow. Quite 19, like 17. Let's do 17. So let's see what that looks like. Should be a semi-transparent shadow of my own now that's separate from the sprite. Which is there. Do I need... I do need +8. The other positioning was also a problem. It was half a problem. Alright, shadow's good. Let's see, is that... Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. So put him like there. So it should be... Like, his center of mass should be centered on the object there. There we go. That looks good. Alright, now let's give him a brain. A very simple brain, but a brain. I think I want just kind of like some small scurrying around until you get somewhat close and then runs away and disappears. It's harder than it sounds though. I have to like script where it disappears or assign that value in the map. Trying to think what the balance is going to be with how random I want his movement. So if you make it completely random, then you're getting into like, okay, now we need like collision detection. And if it runs away somewhere, we're gonna need like pathfinding, which I have like it set up. I'm just thinking like performance concerns. I think what I'm gonna do is have like a really simple AI. Like specific areas where okay, what I'm gonna do, disappear under like canopies like this. And this is a single tree, but it'll make more sense over here. Do this. I'm gonna give him an every critter a range, which is gonna be the radius at which they can freely move around. For him is gonna be like 1.5 tiles, so 30. And then also I guess I do need a direction. You know what? We'll get a little bit fancier here. So I'd have this set up as well. We'll just give it a location. Object. Call it home. And then when you get within range, it'll just run directly home. And then when it hits that spot, it'll be under a canopy or under some other environment object, and then we can just disappear it. I think I like that. So let's make the Meandering Ai. Set up some variables for the AI. I need a wait time for when he's just like idling. Need say move target vector. Move target. Moving. So it starts idle. Between 0 and 1 seconds. And now we do all the AI work here. That was just temporary. If wait time is greater than 0. give him an origin position. That's how we calculate our range of movement. See what was the other properties? Home is an object. Range. Let me check how those objects set up. Properties. It just passes in an int. Alright, I guess I just need to pass this. Whatever. Get that, and then we need a list of the objects so that we can do C dot home position. Let's reuse that file. The object ID, pass in objects. It's a list of all of our objects on the map. And then we'll get... Do I have to parse an int? Do. I guess I don't need that. It's always going to be an int. Alright, Home variable looks good. Object ID. We actually want the object dot. What does this return? Tiled object. Right. Good deal. Our home position setup, I think we can just do AI now. So we wait. If we're waiting, we're done waiting. We want to just move to, we want to pick out a random position to move to within the range. So the way we do that is move target equals move it to origin.x plus sine a random. All we want. We want a random angle between 0 to pi. I want a random distance. Call it radius to make it more accurate. Also random between 0 and a range. We set our move target to origin plus, I think it's sine. We start at 0. Doesn't actually matter because it's random. So the x would be plus cosine of the angle times the radius. And the y would be plus sine of the angle plus the rate times the radius. So we have a new random move target. We set moving to true. And the next time we check first, moving. Let's also get a move direction, so I don't have to calculate that every time we get a target. It's actually all we need, variable wise. Class variable wise. Alright, so let's, alright. Local variable, move target. We get that, and then we set the class variable move direction. There we go. It's gonna be Need angle to target. Its current position. Move target. Set our move direction. I'm gonna rename. Why not? Visual Studio, move, velocity. Velocity is... I gotta remember this. I don't know why this is. It's... yeah, it should be cosine and sine, I think. Set our move velocity. I feel like something's not right there, but we'll test it out here in a minute. So if we're moving, all we're gonna do is just translate by move velocity. And then we need to do a check to see when we reach the position. Which is why I needed this. Do we actually need that as well? Target. So then we can do if vector 2 distance between this target is less than 2. We'll do moving is false. White time is a random range in half second and 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Right, he's moving way off the screen, that's not right. Alright, what's going on here? Y is flipped. It looks like. Yeah, I need negative Y plus height. And then obviously I haven't done any animation yet. Okay. This actually looks pretty good. Given the randomness, I don't know if my trigonometry math is quite correct, but I think it's fine. Alright, so let's actually update the animation now. So when we're done moving, we're just gonna do sprite, set animation. That'll depend on the direction though. So let's store that. Direction. Say direction is get for direction from angle. I use my helper method here. Angle to target. 1 degrees. So we'll convert that. And then we switch on the direction. Don't want the angles or the none. Do sprite, set flip, false. And that gets flipped if we're moving left. Sprite, set anim. Walk up. And this will be same thing, except the idols. I'll probably add like a little cute little animation for him as well. So I'll write a note of that. Oh. Alright, left is broken. That should be true. I think that's it. Just need to add a scurry away when the player draws near. which is gonna be probably about oh, that's on the wrong thing. Probably around there. 165 we'll use as the runaway range. Actually be any player. So we're gonna do if we won't do it every frame. Do it every 10 frames. If we'll do for every player in the party, if the distance between this and the character is less than the runaway range, Boolean set running away to true, set move target to be, here, let's do this way. So then we get the angle and the move velocity from it. And all that as well. So running away is true. Set the move target to the home position. And we'll do another constant for the run speed. It'll be like 80. Probably even faster. Twice as fast as the walk. Here we'll do float move speed, running away, run speed, otherwise move speed. And if we've reached it, running away, we're going to destroy the object. don't think I forgot anything. Let's find out. So, I'm gonna draw closer. And he definitely runs away. It's because that home position is opposite. It's gonna be here. Home X, it's minus home. Probably should move faster as well. There we go, that looks good. Let's keep our eye on him in the editor. Yep, he gets removed. That looks really good. I need to make it faster though. These mice are fast. I love it. Really should do one more touch. Just looking at the animation speed, it needs to already be faster for walking. Let's do this. And then we'll do run. It's gonna be quicker. Be barely even noticeable, but just branch the animation depending on if we're running or not. And we'll do that. So animation should look better now. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Awesome. Perfect. Alright, that's it for today. Got the first critter added. That's a really good base setup for other animals I can add in the future. Got new text effects added. That's broken because it was focused on the editor, but that's fine. We got a glitch effect, we got a scared effect, we got a single wave effect. So good stuff. I'll have to figure out a totally different approach. Not approach, just something else to work on next time, because we're done with text effects now. For the time being, until I figure out if there's a particular thing I need someday in the future. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see y'all next week.